We often find ourselves in a situation where we simply don't know what to do. We may ask colleagues for input and ideas which we may take on board or disregard. In his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, former administrative assistant and renowned leadership development expert Stephen Covey suggests we start with the end in mind. Considering decision-making as a choice made through the lens of the end we have in mind can help create clarity in the process. Questioning, does the decision to do or not to do move you towards or away from the end you have in mind? Sometimes decision-making is easy or automatic, such as what you want for lunch. Sometimes it's hard because of the impact a decision may have on others. Sometimes we take up valuable brain space over a decision for hours or days, hoping that the right decision will reveal itself. Executives such as Jeff Bezos, CEO of Amazon, and Howard Schultz, former Starbucks chief, are known for their quick decision-making. Making a decision or choosing not to make a decision is a choice. When we consider making a decision through Covey's lens of start with the end in mind, it provides additional clarity and in turn impacts on our personal productivity. What decisions do you need to make this week to ensure you're productive?